hanap buhay. At kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik mo lang limot ko na. Kay sarap ng may minamahal, asahan mo pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka? Sa tuwin ay naalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa, wala nang iibigin pang iba. Kay sarap ng may minamahal, asahan mo pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka? Sa tuwin ay naalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa, wala nang iibigin pang iba.
Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nagbabalisa. Kapag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, di ka lagi. At ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't bisihan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Kapag ikaw sikat mahinahon hanggat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Di ako matutulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Kung ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan.
Keep my hands on myself. Take all dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now.
This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not overdue, but I'm coming home.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and